The start of Bitcoin in 2009 opened doorways to funding possibilities in a totally new form of asset classification, cryptocurrency. Lots entered the area way early. Intrigued through the vast viable of these fledgling however promising assets, they sold cryptos at low-cost prices. Consequently, the bull run of 2017 noticed them come to be millionaires/billionaires. Even these who did not stake a great deal reaped first-rate profits. 3 years later, cryptocurrencies nonetheless continue to be profitable, and the market is right here to stay. You may also already be an investor/trader or perhaps taking into account making an attempt your luck. In each cases, it makes feel to comprehend the benefits of investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency has a bright future. According to a document titled Imagine 2030, posted by using Deutsche Bank, credit score and debit playing cards will turn out to be obsolete. Smartphones and different digital gadgets will substitute them. Cryptocurrencies will no longer be viewed as outcasts but picks to present economic systems. Their benefits, such as security, speed, minimal transaction fees, ease of storage, and relevance in the digital era, will be recognized. Concrete regulatory recommendations would popularize cryptocurrencies, and enhance their adoption. The record forecasts that there will be 200 million cryptocurrency pockets customers with the aid of 2030, and nearly 350 million with the aid of the year 2035. Opportunity to be section of a growing community. WageRx's hashtag India Wants Crypto marketing campaign these days achieves 600 days. It has turned out to be a huge motion helping the adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain in India. Also, the current Supreme Court judgment nullifying RBI's crypto banking ban from 2018 has instilled a new rush of self-assurance amongst Indian Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investors. The 2020 Edelman Trust Barometer report also factors out people's rising belief in cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. As per the findings, 73% of Indians believe cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. 60% say that the have an effect on of cryptocurrency/blockchain will be positive. By being a cryptocurrency investor, you stand to be a phase of a thriving and unexpectedly developing community. Increased profit potential. Diversification is an imperative investment thumb rule. Especially, at some stage in these instances when the majority of the belongings have incurred heavy losses due to financial hardships spurred by way of the COVID-19 pandemic. While funding in Bitcoin has given 26% returns from the beginning of the year to date, gold has again 16%. Many different cryptocurrencies have registered 3-digit ROI. Stock markets, as we all recognize, have posted dismal performances. Crude oil expenditures notoriously crashed under zero in the month of April. Including Bitcoin or any different cryptocurrencies in your portfolio would defend your fund's price in such unsure international market situations. This truth was once additionally impressed upon through billionaire macro hedge fund supervisor Paul Tudor Jones when a month lower back he introduced plans to make investments in Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency markets are on 24/7/365. As adverse to common markets, cryptocurrency markets function spherical the clock, all days in a 12 months barring fatigue. That's due to the fact digital forex structures are in reality designed the use of portions of software program code that are secured with the aid of cryptography. The operational blueprint would not contain human interference. So, you are free to change crypto or make investments in digital property on every occasion you desire to. That's a high quality benefit. Cryptocurrency markets are very environment friendly that way. For example, Bitcoin has efficaciously processed transactions with 99.98% uptime considering the fact that its inception in 2009. No paperwork or formality required. You can make investments in Bitcoin or any different cryptocurrency somewhere and every time except any pointless phrases and conditions. Unlike traditional funding options, the place an absurdly excessive quantity of documentation is required to show yourself as an accredited investor. Crypto investment is free for all. In fact, that was once the meant intention in the back of the inception of cryptocurrencies. The democratization of finance/money. For shopping for any cryptocurrency on WageRx, you want to open an account for which you simply want to furnish some primary important points such as your financial institution account information. Once they are verified, inside a few hours, you are precise to go. sole ownership and investment. When you purchase Bitcoin or any different cryptocurrency, you end up the sole proprietor of that unique digital asset. The transaction takes place in a peer-to-peer arrangement. Unlike bonds, mutual funds, stockbrokers, no one third birthday celebration manages your investment for you. You name the shopping for and promoting shots, every time you choose to. User autonomy is the largest gain of cryptocurrency structures that affords brilliant possibilities to make investments and construct a corpus on your primary capital independently. These had been some of the advantages of investing in cryptocurrencies. We hope you discover them beneficial and convincing ample to kickstart your crypto funding journey. Read extra about what is a cryptocurrency and matters to be aware of earlier than investing in crypto at wagerx.com, one of the most depended on cryptocurrency alternate platform. Rich rewards frequently entail amazing risks, and the identical is real with the exceedingly risky cryptocurrency market. The uncertainties in 2020 globally led to a heightened activity of hundreds and massive institutional buyers in buying and selling cryptocurrencies, a new age asset class. Increasing digitization, bendy regulatory framework, and Supreme Court room-lifting ban on banks dealing with crypto-based businesses have parked investments of greater than 10 million Indians in the ultimate year. Several predominant international cryptocurrency exchanges are actively scouting the Indian crypto market, which has been displaying a sustained surge in day-by-day buying and selling quantity over the previous year amid a massive drop in costs as many buyers seemed at fee buying. As the cryptocurrency frenzy continues, many new cryptocurrency exchanges have come up in the United States of America that allows buying, selling, and buying and selling via providing performance through hassle-free applications. WagerX, India's largest cryptocurrency buying and selling platform, doubled its customers from 1 million to 2 million between January and March 2021. What's driving world's largest crypto exchanges to the Indian market? In 2019, the world's biggest cryptocurrency trade through exchange volume, Binance obtained the Indian exchange platform, WagerX. Another crypto begin-up, CoinDCX secured funding from Seychelles-based BitMEX and San Francisco-based giant Coinbase. The crypto and blockchain startups in India have attracted funding of $99.7 million by means of June 15, 2021, which totaled around $95.4 million in 2020. In the closing 5 years, international funding in the Indian crypto market has extended by way of a whopping 1,487%. Despite India's doubtful policy, world buyers are making big bets on the country's digital coin ecosystem due to a range of elements such as tech-savvy Indian population. The predominant populace of 1.39 billion are younger, median age between 28 and 29 years, and tech-savvy. While the older era nonetheless prefers to make investments in gold, actual estate, patents, or equities, the more modern ones are embracing the high-risk cryptocurrency exchanges as they are extra adaptable to them. India ranks 11th on Chainalysis's 2020 file record for international adoption of crypto, which indicates the pleasure about crypto amongst the Indian population. Nor does the less than friendly mindset of the authorities toward crypto or rumors swirling round the crypto are in a position to shake the self-belief of the formative years populace in the digital coin market. India affords the most inexpensive net in the world, that place 1 gigabyte of cellular information fees around 26 cents, whilst the world common is $8.53. So, nearly half the billion customers are taking benefit of low-priced web access, which enhances India's viable to end up one of the greatest crypto economies in the world. According to SimilarWeb, the U.S. is the second largest supply of internet visitors to peer-to-peer Bitcoin buying and selling platform, Paxful. While the mainstream economic system is nevertheless struggling from the pandemic effect, cryptocurrency is gaining momentum in the U.S., as it gives the younger technology a new and quickly way of income's money. It is secure to say that cryptocurrency may end up Indian millennials what gold is for their parents. Rise of fintech startups. The cryptocurrency craze led to the emergence of more than one buying and selling structures such as WagerX, CoinSwitch, CoinDCX, ZebPay, Unocoin, and many others. These cryptocurrency change systems are especially secured, reachable throughout a variety of platforms, and enable instantaneous transactions, offering a pleasant interface for crypto fanatics to buy, sell, or alternate digital belongings limitlessly. Many of these structures take delivery of INR for purchases and buying and selling expenses as low as 0.1%. So simple, fast, and tightly closed systems existing a money-making probability for each first-time traders and nearby traders. WageRx is one of the main cryptocurrency change structures with over 900,000 customers that offers clients with peer-to-peer transaction capabilities. CoinSwitch Kuber offers the first-class cryptocurrency alternate platform for Indians and is perfect for novices as nicely as day-by-day doers. Unacoin is one of the oldest cryptocurrency trade structures in India that account for over 1 million merchants through cellular applications. CoinDCX affords customers with 100 cryptocurrencies as an alternative to make exchanges and even gives buyers with insurance plan to cover losses in case of a safety breach. So, international traders are eyeing the plethora of cryptocurrency alternate structures in India to take gain of the rising market. Mixed government response. The legislative consignment concerning a ban towards a digital forex that would criminalize all of us engaged in possession, issuance, mining, trading, and transferring crypto property would possibly get enacted into law. However, Finance and Corporate Affairs Minister Nirmala Sitharaman eased some investors' issues, announcing that the authorities has no longer deliberate to definitely bar cryptocurrency use. In an assertion given to a main English newspaper, Deccan Herald, the finance minister said, "From our side, we are very clear that we are now not shutting all options. We will permit sure home windows for human beings to do experiments on the blockchain, bitcoins, or cryptocurrency. It is evident that the authorities is nevertheless scrutinizing the countrywide safety dangers posed via cryptocurrencies earlier than figuring out on placing a whole ban." In March 2020, the Supreme Court docket overturned the central bank's selection to ban economic establishments from dealing in cryptocurrencies, which brought about traders to pile into the cryptocurrency market. Despite the lingering concern of ban, transaction volumes persisted to swell, and consumer registration and cash inflows at nearby crypto exchange grew to become 30-fold from a year ago. One of India's oldest exchanges, Unacoin, introduced 20,000 customers in January and February of 2021. The whole extent of ZEP per day of February 2021 received equal to the quantity generated in the total month of February 2020. Addressing the cryptocurrency situation in India, the finance minister stated in a CNBC TV 18 interview, "I can solely supply you this clue that we are now not closing our minds. We are searching at methods in which experiments can show up in the digital world and cryptocurrency." Rather than sitting on the sidelines, buyers and stakeholders choose to make the quality of proliferating the digital coin ecosystem till the authorities introduces the ban on private cryptocurrency and introduced sovereign digital currency. Is India heading towards financial inclusivity with cryptocurrency? Once regarded a boys' club due to predominant male populace engagement in the cryptocurrency market, the step-by-step rising quantity of female traders and merchants has led to greater gender neutrality in the new and digital structure of funding methods. Earlier, female used to stick to normal investments, however now they are turning into risk takers and venturing into the crypto house in India. After the Apex Court docket clarified the legality of virtual currency, the Indian cryptocurrency platform, CoinSwitch, witnessed an exponential 1000% enlarge in its female users. Although girls traders nevertheless make up a small proportion of the crypto community, they are placing up fierce opposition in the Indian market. Women have a tendency to keep a lot extra than their male counterparts and greater financial savings capacity, extra variety in investments such as higher return belongings like cryptocurrencies. Also, ladies are greater analytical and higher at evaluating dangers earlier than making the proper funding choices, so they are extra profitable investors. Increasing mainstream institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies. Uncertainty and panic aroused with the aid of SARS-CoV-19 led to a liquidity disaster even earlier than the financial disaster set off. Many traders transformed their holdings into money to guard their finances, which resulted in the collapsed costs of Bitcoin and altcoin. But even though crypto suffered a most important crash, it nevertheless managed to be the fine performing asset classification of the 12 months 2020. With the elevated vulnerability of the gadget and loss of have confidence in the insurance policies of the central financial institution and cash in its modern-day design, Human beings have an improved urge for food for digital currencies, which resulted in the rebound of cryptocurrency. Due to the stellar overall performance of cryptocurrency in the center of the international monetary crisis, the uptrend has bolstered activity in the digital forex market in Asia and the relaxation of the world. Furthermore,